I want to tell you what I think of this revealed smoky eye shadow palette by Coastal Scents. I don't use a lot of eyeshadow, honestly. In fact, I mostly take eyeshadow and wet a brush and use it as eyeliner. What I like to do is take an angled brush, dab it in the color I'm looking for. I'm going to use this bronze, and then I'll just take it and run it across my eyelid close to the eyeline, because I don't like a lot of heavy eyeshadow. Now this palette is especially great for that because it's all mattes and metallics. There are some shimmery shades. They're pretty neutral. A lot of these are like nude colors, or if you want to get darker, there's some, purples, grays, blues. They're also really blendable and good, so if you do want more of a full eyeshadow look, these just stay on really well. The colors are beautiful. They're easy to blend. I've been using it for years, like I said. It's the only palette I bring with me when I travel. It has a little nice metallic close, and I should probably get a new one because I've had this for years and it's getting old. So highly recommend. You should get it right now.